TIFU by sneezing so hard I spray painted the floor of a public restroom in shit. This Sunday. So I went to see a big game of football. Pretty large arena. Thousands of people. Before the game I needed to take a piss, so I went to one of those portable toilets with no plumbing. I don't remember what you call them. Going in. Locking the door. Casually pulling down my pants and underwear to the knees to stand up peeing when a wild urge to sneeze appears. Just as I go in for the sneeze I sense that the materia back there was not solid, and as I already breathed in during the ah phase of the ah-chew, I realized it's too late. With my pants down I sneeze so goddamn hard with diarrhea so bad. I try to turn around to make the shit hit inside the toilet. Instead I literally spray paint the floor in shit as I am turning, maximizing the impact area. The game hadn't even started yet, and people were queuing for the toilets. Luckily my legs and feet were spared. TLDR went pissing. Sneezed too hard making me shit all over the floor. Do you want to borrow my username? Oh, so you're the guy who always went to the bathroom before me at every festival ever. Why do you pull your pants down to your knees to stand up pee? Portable toilets. You always want to be one of the first ones to use them. In this case, second in line was already too late. Did this once, but with vomit consisting of 2 jugs of beer, carrots, and salami. Was in the middle of taking a dump when I suddenly began to drunk vomit. Was in the middle stall of 3. Both stalls beside mine had occupants. I spent 15 minutes drunk cleaning the barf off of the partition walls. It was so intense that the barf went through the gaps between the partition walls and got inside. The other rooms felt so bad. Literally 180 degrees of vomit spray. Dr. Pooh and his tortoise over there. I feel like this post is trying to humanize or spread empathy and awareness for people that do this. Sadly, I do not empathize in the slightest and still consider you and anyone else that does this as animals or subhuman creatures. I imagine you locking eyes with the person waiting outside as you leave, only to muster a half-whispered, "Sorry." Not gonna lie. It's upsetting that your story didn't end with, "And I cleaned it up as fast as I could." Here's hoping you weren't that douchebag that makes a mess in a public toilet and then leaves it for everyone else to deal with. Took shitposting to another level 1C. Who still drops their pants down to the knees to piss, aside from my 6-year-old? Next time open the door and assert your dominance over the crowd. Guys, you don't have to stand and pee in a toilet. You can literally sit and piss and shit if you need to. I figured the foo was not cleaning up your mess. But I can see from your perspective it was the sneeze's fault for the whole thing. Just watched this in Hall Pass last night lol. That's shitty. Who full-on drops their trousers to pee? Did your clothes get shit on? The next guy in line. Aw fuck. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. What a shitty situation. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark.
If you enjoyed this video, please check out our playlists full of similar content. Epic Ericast is like doom scrolling for your ears. Please like, share, and subscribe.